Hey guys, it's Tom here from HID Projectors, and this is the Night Tracker 9-inch Design Your Own. This one's a cool setup, so I'm going to go through all the options. The customer chose gunmetal shrouds for the Night Tracker shrouds, black housings. You got the US flag etched in the lenses, and then we have some really cool stuff going on. We've got color-changing devil eyes, and color-changing rear angel eyes, and color-changing halos. So I've got everything kind of turned on here. Maybe we'll start with just the devil eyes and show you guys what this looks like. So I can use an app which is Bluetooth controlled, and I can change these to any color I want. So you saw red, there's blue, here's green, a bunch of different cool setups. You can change them to multiple different modes, and they can switch and blink and do all sorts of cool stuff. That's just for show, and I'll set them to one of them right now while I chat about it. So you'll see it kind of going through a pattern right now. Again, you use your phone to set this up. It's just a little LED that kind of shines down in the projector and gives it that cool effect. Just for show, just for pictures, not for driving. Obviously, we have our bi-LED projectors in there that you're looking at right now. That's going to give you all that wonderful performance. That's just going to outperform just about everything on the road. So if you're looking for an unbeatable set of lights for your JL or your JT, your Gladiator, this is what you're going to get. And you can also customize them so they fit the looks that you want. So performance, form, and function all in one package, and probably built right here in our shop in Buffalo, New York. Now, the other thing is the halos and the angel eyes. So the angel eye goes inside that Night Tracker shroud. It's the smaller ring that you can see here from the side. And then you have the large halo, which is the perimeter light. So again, I can mess around with these, change them to any color I want. This would go to blue, we'll go to green next. And then again, I could go in and change them to all these different forms and these cool built-in functions, right? So here's one that's just going to do different shades of blue. So of course you can, there's just a ton of different cool things on the app here. You can play around with this all day long. So let me turn this one on here. When yellows and reds will be on this one. So the takeaway here is you're able to customize your lights any way that you want. So you get to personalize your Jeep, and then you don't have to settle for something off the shelf that someone else designed or someone else thought would be a good thing to mass produce and to ship to you directly in 2 days from Amazon. So everything we do is hand built. You call us up, we walk you through it. It's very bespoke. We are not the shop for you if you're just looking for something to buy and quickly install in your lights. We're the ones that take the time to get you what you need so that you get exactly what you want. So if you're looking for a white glove experience, and you're willing to actually do that and understand that good quality lights aren't $39.99, then come on down to our shop. We'll hold your hand through the whole process, walk through it over the phone with you, show you pictures, show you videos, whatever you need to feel comfortable, because we only build a few of these, and we really treat our customers with care and respect, and we hope that that is a lasting relationship. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, give us a call, 716-662-3479. You could speak directly with us. We'll be glad to hold your hand and walk you through everything. And we're not just here for a sale, we're here for a lasting customer relationship. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you have a great day. Check out these lights. I'll zoom in a little bit more. Maybe I'll play around with some of these. But just such a cool setup. Customize those lenses any way you want or leave them clear. You know, some people like to put their own design in there. We can do that too. Some people like to color match the shrouds to their Jeep. We do that too. Other people want switchback halos or switchback angel eyes or none at all. We do all of that. So everything's available and it's all custom made. We just work with you to get you exactly what you need. And then guess what? You get exactly what you need. So I hope that helps. I know I'm kind of beating a dead horse here, but performance, form, and function, it's all here. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.